So I saw this video from YouTube from All American Mack, and he used Armor All tire foam. So far I tried this one, and here's what happened. So far so good, but I had to apply like 2 coats, and I left this one for like overnight or maybe 24 hours now. It's not yet super clean. As you can see, the other side is ultra dirty. I think more than 3 years no engine cleaning or detailing for this Ford EcoSport. So I'm gonna try and apply it, show to you. I'm gonna try to show to you what will happen if we indeed apply it. So just leave this for like few hours. Some they do like 30 minutes or an hour. I like to leave this for like maybe a day because the engine is so dirty. I also tried spraying it on the tire and it works great. This Armor All tire foam is indeed designed for tires. I also tried it over here. Not sure what this part is called, but so far it's looking much better without scrubbing it, of course. So I think it will be much better, or you can have a cleaner engine bay or engine if you use a brush or a rag. Well, let's see what will happen. I'm gonna need some more time and apply more. You need to shake this for like a minute or 5 minutes. Also gonna apply it over here. Also, they say that it is safe on the alternator, but I am gonna apply some foaming agent over here. I'm just gonna clean the parts that I can reach. Okay, so far I applied a little bit of Armor All tire foam on almost about everything. Then I just have to wait, or maybe I should use a small brush and a rag. Cannot reach the internal parts, so I just have to deal with the ones that can be reached by the Armor All tire foam. I think it's much better if I use a small brush. What do you think? And a rag. So I just leave this for like 30 minutes or maybe an hour. Let me see what will happen if I use a small brush. Where's my toothbrush? There's my toothbrush. I'm gonna use this. Well, according to All American Mack's video, the dirt on his engine was not really tough, or it's nothing like this. So this is ultra dirty, so you may need some brush and some small rag. So I'll let you know what will happen, guys, if this one is legit or not. But so far I saw a ton of YouTube videos, and so far they're all good. So I'll be back. Give me a few hours. I'm not sure how long this one will take. It's like 4 p.m. now, Manila. I am still not done or finished with cleaning the engine bay. As you can see, there's some white spots. After I applied the Armor All tire foam over here, and then on the cover, plastic covers, I use a small amount of water, brushing tool, and then cloth. So after a few minutes, when this dries up, it will turn white. So much better leave the tire foam. That'll be the last thing that we need to do to thoroughly clean and leave a sparkling shine like this. I also like this one. So I'm gonna try to finish off. Where's my tire foam? It is over here. So I think this huge can is enough for an ultra dirty engine bay. So I'm not yet done. I'm gonna apply this for like the, I think, third time now. And then I'm just gonna leave it for a few hours and let's see if we'll have this kind of shine. Shine, shine, shine. For the other parts, I cannot really reach them. So okay, I think I'm almost done. This is my fourth time applying the tire foam, and it's almost empty. Just waiting for this one to dry up. Let's see what will happen. So I used a small brush and small piece of cloth, small amount of water. There we go. Tire foam and my tools, brush, fiber cloth, and the sprayer. It's almost done. I'm almost complete, and all the tire foam, Armor All tire foam, the suds or the foams, they are gone, but it is not completely dry. It's still wet, and it's getting late now. It's like 6 p.m. so I'm gonna check tomorrow morning or maybe afternoon and see what color are we gonna have. But so far so good. They're all clean, and I wasted the whole can. So I'm guessing there'll be white spots over here, here, and here, and as well as on the, what you call this, grill. So I'm gonna leave this for like maybe 20 hours or 15 hours. I'm gonna shoot again tomorrow. Okay, so far so good. And I'm back. So after 20 hours or maybe 24 hours, here's what it looks like. Not really ultra super mega clean, but for me this is kind of good enough for a noob or newbie like me who doesn't know how to clean an engine, how to detail an engine. This is not exactly engine detailing, since I can see some gunk. I forgot to clean this one over here. There you go, and over here. So the tools that I use, just fiber cloth, brush, and water spray. And then the main tool, Armor All tire foam. I think this one is, what, made in USA? Not sure. So on other YouTube videos, they say that you may want to rinse this off with water and then just wipe it off with fiber cloth, but it's up to you. For me, I think I'm just gonna do this one later on, and then maybe I'll do a video update after 3 months and see what will happen. Put this, and then I'm gonna wipe them off with the fiber cloth. A dirty fiber cloth, much better if you have a fresh one. Well, this is an old one. So far I'm satisfied with the results, but I spent several hours. Others, they're doing it in less than 10 minutes. Well, I'm not a pro, so this is my first time trying it out. No script or whatever. I just sprayed the Armor all over the plastics and rubbers. I tried avoiding foaming agent or the armor all over here or on the connectors. I just focus on the plastics. Anyway, you can just take a look at the video. There's some foam over here, but just small amounts. So there you go. A 5-year-old engine with no engine wash and no engine detailing at all. And me, first time using the Armor All tire foam. So far so good, but that's really all I can show you guys. Also, on plastic parts like this, the white one, you may need to scrub it with the brush and then the fiber cloth, and then rinse it off with water and then apply it again. Apply the tire foam once again until it's clean. I'll give you a video update maybe after 3 months. Let's see what will happen after we test drive this Ford EcoSport. Well, there you go. So see you next time, guys.